In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the US Bank app and sign in. Whether you're on an iPhone or an Android device, these instructions will guide you through each step of the process, making it straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, you'll want to unlock your phone and open either the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're an Android user. These are your go-to destinations for downloading apps. Once you've opened your App Store, go to the search bar, typically located at the top of the screen, and type in US Bank mobile app. This search will lead you directly to the official application provided by US Bank. It's important to ensure you're downloading the correct app, so look for the familiar US Bank logo in the search results. Once you've found it, tap on Download if you're on iPhone or Install if you're using an Android device. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so be patient while your device gets the necessary files to function properly. After the app is fully installed, your next step is to open it. You can do this either directly from the App Store by tapping Open or locating the app icon on your home screen. Upon opening the US Bank app for the first time, you'll be greeted with a welcoming screen. Look for the Login button on the home screen, which will take you to the next phase of the setup. Now it's time to sign in. Use the username and password you created when you enrolled in online banking with US Bank. Enter these details carefully to ensure accuracy and avoid any login errors. Once your credentials are entered, tap Sign In. At this point, the app may prompt you to confirm your identity with either a one-time code sent to your phone or through Face or Touch ID if your device supports these features. This additional layer of security is implemented to protect your personal information and financial data. And there you have it. You are now logged into your US Bank account. From here, you have full access to a range of convenient features. You can check your account balance anytime, pay your bills, or transfer money to other accounts securely, all from the comfort of your phone. By following these straightforward steps, you're harnessing the power of mobile banking, which allows you to manage your finances easily and securely on the go. If you encounter any issues during the installation or sign-in process, customer support from US Bank is always available to assist you. Enjoy the convenience of banking right from your mobile device.